Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So guys, let's make jollof rice under 15 minutes. It's so easy and simple to make. Let's get started. I was already having some base stew. This is it. And I'm going to fetch some of it to make our jollof rice. It's as easy and simple as that, okay? So this is it. I'm taking some of my base stew. Remember, I once showed you how to make base stew, okay? So this is it, and I added my rice into it, my washed rice for that matter, and I'm going to combine or mix everything together. So after this, I'll add in my meat broth or meat stock. Okay, so this is the secret. Add in your meat broth or your meat stock, and I added my salt. Okay, this is where you will taste your salt. So guys, this is it. Just lower your heat to the lowest low, cover it with aluminium foil. Jollof rice doesn't need a lot of heat or fire to be cooked. You just need some vapor, okay, to cook your jollof rice into single grains. I love my jollof rice into single grains, but it depends on the way that you like or love your jollof rice. So be sure to be turning it every now and then to make sure it's all properly cooked, okay? So thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I do appreciate. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome, but please don't forget to subscribe. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much for your amazing support. I really appreciate. So guys, this is it. Our jollof rice is ready, and I cook this under 15 minutes. Till we meet again, shalom, peace.